I'm going to show you guys my 3D printed Panama gear driven ceiling fan. It works nicely, and it's in the living room right now, which is its final location, and it works great. The hook is rated for 200 pounds, which is way more than enough for this fan. Here is on. It goes medium, high, low, which is kind of strange. I still haven't fixed that orientation yet, but I don't think I need to. It's got a pretty long spin down for a gear-driven fan. It plugs into here, goes up through there, then whoosh. Then it goes into the fan. We don't have it inside the ceiling because, yeah, that would require cutting the ceiling in order to put that wire inside, so it has to be external. Plus, that makes it easier to service it anyway, because instead of having to deal with wire nuts, you just unplug it from that extension cord. So if there's anything wrong with it, it's easy. There's the light turned off. And it lights the room quite well. Although one of the light bulbs is starting to burn out. But I also made this stencil myself using paper and a fine point cutter, and I basically cut out an outline and then spray painted it after I took the inserts out, and it turned out pretty good for a homemade stencil. I think it looks nice on this fan, although I kind of wish my mom didn't throw away the stencil because it was a nice stencil. But at least I used it. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.